Good morning to everyone. So today we are going to see chapter number 14, symmetry. In the previous online classes video we had already completed chapter number 13, that is exponents and power, isn't it? So hope exponent and power student you had understood everything. Okay, so if any doubt is there you can directly ask me through my WhatsApp number, isn't it? So what is the exponent over there, what the laws are there, what the conclusion, how to use the laws of exponent, how to simplify, only 6 or 4 5 laws of exponents are there, that is very useful. Okay, so those laws of exponent you have to by heart, you have to know how to utilize, how to solve it, and how the question will be there. In that question you have to use the laws of exponent. Okay, so be very careful while using the laws of exponent in their sign. Don't get confused in their sign, though the alphabets are same, their powers are same, so don't get confused. Be concentrate in the question and in their mathematical operation. Clear, student? So today here we are going to start the chapter number 14, symmetry. So what is the symmetry? Introduction says symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly exhibited in nature and is used almost in every field of activity. So symmetry means, a student, you can see the picture. Symmetry is always a geometrical concept. It gives a geometrical concept to you people. Okay, whatever the things we can see, whatever the things we observe in our day to day life is depends on the symmetry itself. Suppose an architecture is there, he is going to build a house. Okay, the house will be divided into two equal parts. Of course it will be divided, otherwise half of the part will be most and half is less. Then how it will be, the structure of the house, how it will be look? It looks awkward. That's why the architecture is always going to use the symmetry. Symmetry is what? A symmetry, we can say, symmetry is of 2-3 types: line symmetry, rotational symmetry, reflection symmetry. That we will study after we will go through the symmetry. So what do you mean by symmetry? A symmetry is a ray or a line, a dotted line, which divides any object, any images into two equal parts. Two equal parts means identical parts. Identical parts means दो हिस्सों में, बराबर हिस्सों में जिसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता है जो लाइन, उसको सिमेट्री बोलते हैं. So have you understood what do you mean by symmetry? Symmetry is a word or a line which divides the object, image or anything into two identical parts is called symmetry. Suppose we are having an example of a car. Car is divided by a two equal parts. Identical parts means as the first part looks, in the same way the second part look as it is. एक हूबहू एक दूसरे के जैसे दिखता है, उसको symmetrical कहते हैं. Okay, suppose you are having this class 7th mathematics book. You and your friend both are studying in class 7th. Both of you are having the NCERT class 7th maths book. Can you identify if the two books without name, without cover, without any notation of yours, if it will be bought from the shop, newly book is bought from the shop and kept in front of you? So can you identify that which one is yours and which one of your friend is? No, you cannot identify, isn't it? So that type of object, that type of image is said to be as an identical, which looks as it is to see. Suppose an example, a nature is also having an, if this tortoise is going to be divided into two parts and folded, okay, then can it looks the same? Yes, of course it looks the same. So those type of object or an line which is divided the objects or an images into two equal parts or identical parts is known as symmetry. Okay, artists, professional designers of clothing or jewelry, car manufacturer, architects and many others make use of the ideas of symmetry. The beehives, the flowers, the tree leaves, the religion symbols, racks, handkerchief, everywhere you can find the symmetrical design, isn't it? Everywhere these are the examples of symmetry where we can mostly use the symmetry over there. So you have already heard a feel of line of symmetry in your previous class. We had already studied this symmetry in the class 6th also, isn't it? Now some different we are going to study, advanced form of it. So a figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may folded so that the two parts of the figure will be coincide. Suppose we are having as an example, a tortoise is being drawn in a square or a rectangle sheet of a paper. Okay, when we are going to divide this tortoise by drawing a dotted line or by using a scale, a straight line, can the tortoise be folded in the form of this? As we are having the tortoise, I will show you in the form of figure. If we are having suppose we are having a fish or a leaf, we are going to divide this leaf into two equal identical part, and this leaf, when it will be folded, when I am going to fold the leaf, do this leaf looks like this, student? Is when I am going to fold this leaf, whether the leaf look like this? Of course it will be look like this. So this type of images or object is said to be as an identical. What is written here? A figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will be coincide. That's why the two parts of the figure will be coincide. It words indicates that suppose I am having a simple kind of structure like this. When I am going to fold this, okay, this is the line of symmetry, and when this part is folded to this part, it will be look like this, will be it look like this. So जो ये पार्ट है वो इसके ऊपर फोल्ड होकर के एज इट इज़ फाइंड होगा, तो हम नीचे वाला पार्ट नहीं देख पाएंगे, isn't it? That is only said to be as the two parts of the figure will be coincide. Clear everyone? So here some example is shown on the screen. Compose a picture album showing the symmetry. Create some colorful in dot doubles. Okay, it is made by the ink only. The pen which you are using, isn't it? That pen will be ink that will be spread on a sheet of a paper, and it will be looks like a ink dot double. Then make some symmetrical paper cut design. That you people are very expert in the making this paper cut design, isn't it? Take the papers, fold it into 4, 5, 6 folding, then cut it in a different shape. You will have this some, when you are going to open this paper, a beautiful images is occurred on that. So that is also an example of symmetry. Clear? Enjoy identify lines, also called X of symmetry, in the design you collected. So dear student, when some objects, some lines, some pictures is going to be divided into two identical parts, it is known as symmetry, isn't it? Symmetry is of three types. First one is a line symmetry, which is also known as axis symmetry. Dear student, line symmetry is also known as axis symmetry. Then second type of symmetry will be rotational symmetry. Third type of symmetry will be reflection symmetry. Okay, this we will study. So before going to study the types, let's see some of the more examples of symmetry. Here the alphabet T we are having, isn't it? The alphabet T, when we are going to divide the alphabet T in by a line of symmetry, a straight line will be divided. Can the T will be divided into two identical parts? Of course, when we are going to divide a line of symmetry passing through the center of the T from head to tail, this when we will fold this, it will be look like this, will be look the T like this, isn't it? Or if we are going to fold in the another side, it will be look like this, isn't it? So this is known as symmetry, images of symmetry. Second example is also an example for the symmetry. Third M letter can be also folded so that it can look identical, and the arrow sign can also be folded so that it can look as a identical, isn't it? Next topic is our lines of symmetry for regular polygon. So here we are going to see lines of symmetry. You know that a polygon is a closed figure made of several line segments. The polygons made up of the least number of line segments is the triangle. What do you mean by polygon, student? Polygon when some kind of a closed simple figure is made by a line segment. Okay, that type of figure or object is said, that type of figure is said to be a polygon. What do you mean by polygon? When a simple closed curve is formed by using the straight line, okay, that type of figure is said to be as a polygon, isn't it? So polygon we had already studied in the previous classes. So here we are going to see which will be the line of symmetry under polygon. So polygon made up of the least number of line of symmetry is the triangle. Triangle is a least. Many things are there, like alphabets we are having. Some of the alphabets are having 2 line of symmetry, some of the alphabets is having 1 line of symmetry, but we are talking about the figures over here, isn't it? If we are having a polygon like the triangle is 3-sided polygon, isn't it? So in 3-sided polygon we will have the least number of line of symmetry. Means जो polygon triangle है, जो ट्रायंगल है हमारे पास, उसमें सबसे कम लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. जैसे इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है तो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में 3 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगा. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है तो उसमें 1 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगा. स्केलेन ट्रायंगल है तो उसमें कोई भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल तो उसमें 1 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगा. ठीक है, तो इसी कारण यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री विल बी वेरी लीस्ट इन ट्रायंगल. Clear everyone? But in other figure, if we are talking about a square, rectangle, okay, they are having, square is having 4 line of symmetry, rectangle is having 2 line of symmetry. Like that the lines of symmetry depends. Okay, so here we are going to, can there be a polygon that you can draw with the still fewer line of symmetry? Think about it. That means you have to think of your own self. Can any other polygon which is having very less line of symmetry? Okay, a polygon is said to be a regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its lengths are of equal measure. Thus an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of 3 sides. Can name a regular polygon of 4 sides. So regular polygon of 4 sides, it can be considered as a square. Square is a regular polygon which is having 4 sides and also having the 4 line of symmetry. Okay, next here, an equilateral triangle is a regular because each of its sides has the same length and each of its angle is measured 60 degree. All of you know what is equilateral triangle is? A equilateral triangle is having 3 sides of equal length. This everybody know, isn't it? And angle of an equilateral triangle, all the 3 angle will be equals to 60, 60 and 60. When we are going to add, it will become 180, isn't it? How much it will become? It will become 180. So dear student, an equilateral triangle is having 3 equal sides and it is having 3 angles and each angle is of how much degree? That is 60 degree, that we had already studied, isn't it? So this is an equilateral triangle. If this one is 3 centimeter, it will be also 3 centimeter. This one will also be 3 centimeter. This angle A, suppose the name of the triangle is ABC. So if this is 60 degree, this will also be 60 degree. This will also be 60 degree. So in this kind of state or in this kind of equilateral triangle, we are having 3 line of symmetry can be drawn. Okay. Similarly, we can see a square is here. A square is also regular because all its sides are equal of length and each of angles is of 90 degree. Its diagonals are seen to be perpendicular bisectors of one another. We can see a square we are having. A square is an also example of a symmetry. So here we are having the square. Okay. As we know that how many sides a square is having? 4 sides. Isn't it? Then what's about its line? Its opposite sides is its sides. Sides are equal in measure. These are the properties, isn't it? The sides are equal to each other. If this is the name A, B, C, D is the name of a square, then its sides length will be equal. If this is 2 centimeter, this will be also 2 centimeter, this will be also 2 centimeter and this will be also 2 centimeter. Okay. In the same way, as we know that each side of the square, if this one is the square, each side of the square is of how much degree? It is of 90 degree. Okay. So 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. How much it will be? It will be equals to 360 degree. Have you understood up to here? So this is an example of a symmetry also, where the 4 line of symmetry can be easily drawn over here. Have you understood, student? So in the next video we are going to see the next pages. So for today, thank you everyone. And dear student, one more thing, no need of writing this, whatever I am teaching here, no need of writing this in your copy. Only exercise you have to directly write in your copy. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone.